All right, welcome back, everyone. How are we all doing today? So, newsflash, NZD car trade. This particular one closed me out in loss yesterday. As you can all see, it caught me off real quickly and very swiftly. Before I think it was sometime around this morning. That's when I got caught off. All right, the news came out and it was very positive for Kiwi dollar. I'm gonna share that with you later as we proceed in this video. All right, and secondly, I might be getting myself into another trade on NZD card again. All right, because the selling point, the sell trade is still there, the bearish momentum is still there. It looks quite interesting. All right, and the other thing is my NZD USD trade was actually very cool. I mean, the counter trend trade I picked a few weeks back kind of worked very nicely, and you can see right here the profit was still there. I'm leaving this just on the video I released yesterday. Anyways, okay, I said I'm leaving this trade because I have to journal it. Okay, it's a system that I've been working for a very long time, and also this video basically, okay, this series is actually very special to me personally because it's a way to journal, to video journal my trade. Okay, I have the text, I have the pictures, but this way I can easily journal my trade with videos, okay, with visual. So that way I can easily go back, play, rewind, see my mistakes, see what I can do better as I goes. And if it helps you also, I guess I use one single stone to kill multiple birds. So let's go right into it. And additionally, I also open a trade on USD card. I said it in the last video that there's a possibility that I might join this particular trade, and I eventually joined. And lastly, before I continue, all right, before we actually get busy, I would like to show you this is the account right now. This is how it's going. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video proper. First off, this is the account. This is how the account looks now, and this is the trade I got caught up. I told you that I had a couple of. Yesterday we were up like 140, I think 146. So now that you can see right here, I see it's around 130, and that means I mean 530. I'm actually I'm only just I'm focusing on the profit anyway because that's what I have to focus on. And the issue here is because I still have a lot of things to learn about this particular C trader. It's I would just like let me manage this trade before you know it. I already closed the trade, and I have to re-enter the trade back. If you actually check the past couple of days, let me check the history. Okay, where is it again? So current week, you will see a couple of small losses: $2, $3, $4 loss. You see all these weird ones. They are a bunch of mistakes, and they keep costing me money, including this small profits, including these two small mistakes. I mean, it's just weird. You see that it's almost at the same price, almost at the same level. All right, just small things. Just let me manage this trade. Let me see if I can do this. Before you know it, the trade is already gone. To the extent that I only just want a partial close NZD card, and then I just closed it at $7. Then I was like, I'm done. Okay, I'm done with this trade. It's because I was literally angry. Psychologically, I was not even fine because because of the mistake I made anyway, or the decision I decided to choose. All right, so it wasn't a mistake basically. All right, so that said, let's look at today. So basically, this is how the account looks now. All right, I have it's not even. I'm clicking on apply. It's not even applying. I have to just go back. Oh, I missed MetaTrader. Very easy. Maybe because I'm already used to it. Maybe. Right. So right now we are up $130 basically, and you can see the equity is still at 146. Meaning I've been able to make plus or minus $15 back. I mean maybe $17 basically because the trade is running currently in profit, and I'll be showing you that later. Right as we proceed. And also, actually, this is I don't need to show you later. This is it right here. You can see I have a sell trade on pound USD, and I have a sell trade on USD card. All right, the sell trade on pound dollar is around 20 pips plus, and this other one USD card is around 28 pips, and you can see $10 and $5 on this trade. I'm actually risking very small because of the volatility that has been exerted in the market currently. Nothing actually makes sense. There is no way in hell or in heaven that I will be trading. I will be selling both pound and USD card on a normal day. Okay, it doesn't work that way. Is that you are selling pound dollar and you're buying USD card. Simple as that. That means right here I am at the same time I'm buying US. I'm selling USD here, and at the same time I'm buying USD. I'm gonna explain that later to you, especially to beginners that probably you're just watching here. You want to buy a prop firm account, and you're just like, okay, if this guy does it, I can do it as well. Of course you can do it, but I will explain what I'm buying. I'm buying dollar somewhere. I'm also selling dollar another place. So this is how the account looks. This is a trade on GU right there. As you can see, let me make this bigger. All right, this is a particular sell trade. I took the sell trade right here. Okay, around here. Okay, like I said, I've been jumping into so many late entries. This is actually where I should have entered the trade right there, or even right here. It's a better sell. But I think when we get to the chart, I will show you the reason why I joined here. I think I've explained that already, so I might not go fully into it, but that's that. And then we have there's a possibility of the market actually dipping down, because that's the plan of this particular trade anyways. I think I have my TP right around there. Okay, but there's a possibility of me actually jumping into another trade, okay, on this particular pair. Meaning, if the market bounce down and really go down and come to this level, the reaction that happened here, we decide if I'm going to trail out in profit, or I will just add in some more sell, okay, moving forward, because the market come all the way down here, break below here, and then pull back nicely. Okay, there's a possibility I will look for another sell right there. Definitely, I will start trading immediately. Okay, but there's a possibility of me entering another sell trade, and the market gets to this level as well. This particular one right here, break it and pull back nicely. There's a possibility I will take another sell trade, and then we take it all the way to the ground as it goes. Okay, that's the joy of price action and swing trading. Basically, okay, you get to accumulate some more entries as the trade proceeds, or move forward. Basically, and this is a U-card trade. I've already started trading because of the volume in the market, and the fact that this is a counter trend trade, which I will explain to you fully later. There is a counter trend trade, and you can see right here, the market seems to actually drop very drastically. There is a possibility of a small pullback before we continue to go down. But looking at what happened here, I guess maybe we might not get that full pullback. It's just going to be another drama, and the market will just keep dropping down. But as it goes, if this trade actually end up in loss, I can't actually lose a trade right here. I can't lose this trade again because I've started trading. The reason I started trading, I will show you on trading view when I actually move there, because the analysis is better shown and better illustrated there. I'm just here telling you the reason why I started trading, but the analysis and everything, reason my thought process is better explained there on trading view. So instead of me telling you what to do, let me just show you right there, right now. Okay, so right here on trading view, you can see right here the market dropped drastically. There's a possibility of an actual pullback. If I get this pullback right there, I would definitely look into another trade. Okay, reason why I trading now is because of the volume and the fact that dollar is gaining some strength right now. Okay, I forecasted the strength and it looks like this. Okay, where is it again? So let me use this, and then where is the XY? That's $3. So this is the XY right here. You can see at the bottom here, the plan is to see a possibility, the market actually going all the way to the top again. Okay, something like this, probably go up again. So yes, I know that there's a little bit conflict between market correlation and all right now, but that doesn't depict the fact that yes, okay, if the market might just the whole correlation might just kicks in right now, and dollar will be going up here, DXY will be going up normally, and then I'll see USD card also move alongside with it, and then GU will actually drop. So I don't want to take that chance. That's why I started trading right now. Sorry for that. That's why I started trading right now. You understand? And at the same time, if I get to see a move to the upside here, and just like what is happening to NZD card, I will be jumping in a few minutes now, like in the next few seconds. All right. If I get to see another, it will be a rejection candle right here. I will take another sell for sure. Okay, there is endless possibility when you're a swing trader and when you're a price action trader. You get out, you enter again, you get out, you enter again. So far, you are risking as little as possible. Okay, it might take longer period of time to really win the challenge or to really pass the whole thing, but you will stay off the water, you will stay above the water. Okay, and you will get to make it might be small amount of profit, but it's better than losing it all. on a big trade. All right, so now straight to pound dollar. Okay, so let's talk about pound dollar for a minute right there. So first off, I took this trade quite, like I said, quite. Now I see it very clearly now. Just what I'm saying, what I was talking about. All right, it wasn't really that late. Okay, it wasn't really that late. As you can see right here, the market dropped very drastically, and then it pulled back. It's the pullback that I kind of shocked. Okay, so the market is still young. Today, throughout today, it was very dramatic. It was going back and forth because of the strength. The DXY doesn't really find it has not found its footing properly. Okay, due to the panic, the recession panic that has really been that's exactly itself into the market this past couple of weeks now. Okay, past couple of days actually. Okay, and I think the trade has potential. Okay, the trade still has potential, a lot of potential, but it's still very well, and it will be much better to do what to see if I can to properly manage this trade, okay, and then to see if I can get it to actually drop very well. And just as I explained earlier, I will add some more trade if the market happens to break below here, something like this. I will look for another sell trade right there. I will trail this very small. I'm not gonna be very aggressive with my trading right here. I will trade as small as possible because of the potential of the trade, anyways. And if possible, the market now drop down all the way to this low, and then fortunately it breaks below here again. All right. There's a possibility I will actually do what I will see if I can get into a trade like this, okay, and take another sell. But I know it's not gonna look as sweet as this as it has been drawn. But like I said, I will be very patient with the training of this account. I will be extremely patient with that. So that's that on pound dollar. Now going to NZD card because I really want to take NZD card trade right now. So let me pop this up and then let's go to the, okay, let me go straight to, excuse me, let me go to, all right, good. So I want to take a sell on NZD card, NZD CAD. Okay, like I said, it looks very neat. Okay, the trade is still very much interesting, genuinely, and I wouldn't mind taking another shot at selling. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'll be taking a trade right now, right here. So let's see if I can get my stop loss is gonna be right here at the top. That's how many pips? That's 55 pips stop loss. Okay. What is the target? The target is going to be right below here at least. Okay, that's 3% target. Okay, that's what we should 3%. You're gonna see the result anyways. Let's take it a little bit down notch. All right, so I want to show you just another confluence on the reason why I want to take this trade. But before I forget, guys, I also want to share with you the news that came out yesterday, the result and the reason why my trade actually got closed out. And also, I'll be opening a trade. We'll be opening a trade together right now. So we have a 55 pip stop loss. Okay, come on, man. 55 pip stop loss, 0.5%. Let's do the calculation, 0.06. So I'll be opening a trade right now. I guess, yeah, the trade is still very neat. Let's take it to 4 hour time frame to see if we're gonna get. Okay, there's a real serious rejection candle right there. I think the market is retracing a little bit, giving me enough and a much better entry. And the more the merrier, right? That's what they say. So I'm using 0.06 as my lot size. Do you want to close or create a new order? Do you want to close or no? I don't really understand. You see, that's what I'm saying. It will just pop something up. It's very stupid. NZDCAD. By dragging this alone, it's already killing your morale as a trader because I mean it's just so hard to navigate. I'm sorry, man. I think probably I need to work more with it. Probably that will help me. Okay, I'm glad that the whole trade is going back up slowly. Okay, the move is going slowly, so I can easily get it to trade. All right, so okay, I guess what is it again? New order, come up. Okay, sell NZD card, very good. I think I also need to calm down a little bit. I also need to chill a little bit. So six stop loss. What's the value? Control V. Yeah, and then place order. Yeah, I'm risking $22. It's not far. Place the order. Okay, good. All right, good. So here we are now. I have three trades running, and don't forget on my USD card trade. You can see I'm already trading. Okay, even though the market seems to be going back slowly, it seems to be retracing very hard right now. But I guess if you close me out and loss, excuse me, I wouldn't mind, honestly. I really won't mind. But I think the trade has a lot of potential, but I think there's a possibility for pullback. Okay, there's a possibility for pullback. Okay, it is called for. If I get this much deeper pullback, maybe I will take another short trade moving forward. Okay, that's that. Actually, maybe I'll just adjust my stop loss a little bit lower. I wouldn't mind catching a little bit of $3 because based on all the ups and downs that I've gotten myself into lately. So if I can get $3 before I take the actual trade on the pair, it wouldn't be a bad thing. So I just opened a sell trade on NZD card right now. So I don't know why my indicators are not coming up, but sometimes TradingView needs me to refresh like multiple times before they give me access to my indicators and the some services I kind of purchase. But it is what it is, and it's fine. At least I was able to calculate my risk, and I was able to place the trade moving forward. And then lastly, I think we should talk a little bit about NZD USD before I go, and the news also. Okay, we're going to talk about the news, but for now, Kansenze seems to be also coming down slowly. I don't know. I'm not so sure if this will be a rejection, or maybe the market will also go back up. I'm not sure. But I'm leaving this right now to see how it goes. For NZD card, the same reason why I took the trade in the first place is the same reason why I'm leaving it and I'm re-entering the trade because it looks decent. I like a decent trade. It supports every single thing I hold very dear when it comes to my analysis, when it comes to my system. Okay, I see we have double top right here. It's more like a rejection. The market went up, now it's rejecting. So I will really be glad if I can get this market to continue to go down, honestly. But for me to change my bias, for me to successfully change my bias on this trade, I would like to see breaks of above here, probably stay above here. If it stays above here, then the market is done. Okay, we can see the continuation. All right, but this tight knit stop loss that I used earlier was not the best. I will agree with that. Okay, I'm agreeing to that now. It's not the best. So I would love to see the market actually move above here. Then probably I will start looking for something else at the top right there. But if it stays below here, okay, if it stays below here, I think the market is officially bearish because even on the 8 hour band, you can see it's still very, 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 very bearish. As you can see, whether the trend line is there. Okay, even though the news came and it came very positive for Kiwi, but it seems like the market is rejecting that the whole show. This is just the spike, and the market is rejecting that right now. Lastly, I think that's all, guys. Let me just show you the let me show you the news that came out yesterday, and then I'll be off your hair. So, yesterday was Wednesday. I mean, it was Tuesday, excuse me. And right now, by the time you're watching this video, you'll be watching it on Thursday, but I'm recording it now, Wednesday 7th. Okay, and the time right here is 7:08 p.m. 8 past 7. Okay, in the evening, of course. All right, so you can see the unemployment change and unemployment claim. Okay, unemployment change it was very bullish. Employment change was very bullish because it was higher than expected. It was even far higher than minus 0.2%. Okay, and this was also revised. Okay, it was revised while the data was dropped. It was revised. I don't know why it was revised, but it does that. Okay, and lastly, you can see the unemployment rate also dropped by 0.1%, which was very, very good for Kiwi. It was very good. It wasn't really that much, but at the end of the day, the spike happened and it closed me out at the top. And then the market seems to be rejecting right now, which is why I'm selling NZD card again and again. So I'm gonna close that. So that's that. If anything happens to this trade, and USD card, and and lastly, pound dollar. If anything should happen to any of this trade, you'll be getting another video from me. I'm not so sure if I'll be adding to any trade, adding to this trade. Download, guys. I will catch you in the next video. If anything happens to the account, I'm gonna let you know. I mean, if anything happens to the trade, I'm gonna let you know. For sure, I think USD card will be closed out soon enough because of the trading stop. My trading stop is somewhere around here. think it's somewhere around there. But if anything happens to it, you will get a video from me. I'm not sure if you'll be interested in hearing about that trade because we all know that there's a possibility it's gonna get triggered anyway. But I will let you know if anything happens. So, guys, like I said, it's a journal for me. Okay, it's not about it. Actually, if you watch it, yeah, it's good for you, fine. But actually, this is more like a journal for me personally, and I want to see how this all plays out. All right, so catch you guys in the next video. Have a nice one. Bye for now.